Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Jack White here with a cool attitude song, What's the Trick? So this one is a cool song with only kind of licks into it. We'll not go over the chords or so, just the different licks, a couple of them. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do here. Capo on first, that will be the easiest way to handle all these notes. So let's start. We'll start to look at this main riff. Okay, so it's going here on the second fret. You will alternate that with the fifth and open and so. So let's look at it. It goes like this slowly. All right. So what you do there, you play on the E string only. So that will be second E string 2 times. Then open E, then second E, then fifth E, then second E, and open E. So we can stop there. It's about half in, so. Okay, so that is again, second E, second, open, second, fifth, second, open. And then you just do second, fifth, second, open, second. So the final part was second, fifth, second, open, second. And that's it. So I'm gonna go over this, play this slowly first, speak meanwhile I'm playing, and then I'm gonna play one round slow again so you listen how it sounds without me interfering here. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Second, second, open, second, fifth, second, open, second, fifth, second, open, second. Yeah, so there you have the main riff there. Okay, then we have after a couple of rounds of that, I will not go over how many rounds and so, I will just give you the different variations of these licks here. So next up will be a pattern that looks like this. All right. So it's 2 rounds of different notes there, but the pattern is basically the same. So you will play here the first round on this A string, and you will play on the A string for both rounds only. Okay, so I'm just gonna mention the frets here. So the first round was like this. Okay, so that is fourth, fourth, second, fourth, fourth, second. Okay, so then we have fourth, second, fourth, fifth, fourth, second. Okay, so the final part was fourth, second, fourth, fifth, fourth, second. And that will complete the first round. So slowly it will be like this. All right. And then we have the second round now. It goes like this. Okay. So that will be still only on A string. So second, second, open, second, second, open. Okay, so that's the first half in this second round. So second, second, open, second, second, open. And then we continue with second, open, second, third, second, open. So second, open, second, third, second, open. I'm gonna play this second round for you as it is. speak me while I'm playing, and then one round without. Okay, so let's go. Second, second, open, second, second, open, second, open, second, third, second, open. That's how you do it. Okay, and when I play this, I don't hit all notes here with my right hand, so I use a lot of this hammer on and pull offs. So that's a technique to make it more, it flows better and goes faster most of the times. So that's just a technique I use. So for example here, I snap this second fret A string to get the open one, and then I hammer on from the second to third. So that's different examples of how I use this pull off and hammer on technique. Okay, so that was that when it comes to this second kind of alternative of playing this song here with these licks. And then we have one part later. It goes like this. That was slow there, so. Okay, so you will start here on the D string. So 5th, 4th, and then you go to A string and play 7th, 4th. Still on A string, you slide up to 3rd, 2nd, and open. We can stop there. So on D string, 5th, 4th, 7th, 4th on A string, and 3rd, 2nd, open on still A string. So that will be how it continues. So you go up on E string and play the 5th E string, 2nd E string. Then you go down to A string again and play the 4th and 2nd. And then you end on the E string playing 5th, 2nd, open, 2nd. So together it sounds like this, slowly. Yeah. All right, so there you have it. So that's a different style there, a little bit slower, and it goes more over the strings like that. But yeah, then like I said, that we have this main riff or melody. So that was the first one we learned. It goes, yeah, at least half of this song is about that melody. So that was, yeah, you need to put your effort on that one first. We can say it like that. Okay, so we have just one last part left, and that is this one here. Okay, so it's about 4 rounds, and the 4th round differs a little bit from the first 3. So it goes like this: 2nd on E, 4th on A, 2nd on A, 4th on E, 5th on E, 2nd A, and 4th E. This part you will play for 3 rounds, so we'll go over it again. 2nd E, 4th A, 2nd A, 4th E, 5th E, 2nd A, 4th E. So play that for 3 rounds, and on the 4th round it's pretty similar. Sounds like this. Okay, so that is 2nd on E, 4th A, 2nd A, 4th E, and open E. So again, second E, fourth A, second A, fourth E, and open E. Yeah, so there we have the different licks there. This song ends with solos and outros and like that. We'll not go over all the notes and like this. This was the main riffs I wanted to cover here for the song. A cool song here, punk-ish song from Jack White, What's the Trick? So good luck with all these notes. I hope that helped and hope to see you soon, guys. And don't forget, play tuned.